Alright, you guys, we're doing a deep clean today of my entire house, starting with the bathroom. So I'm going to give you what it looks like now. Beware. So, lots of dustiness in here. Look at my tiny sink. We're going to steam clean the floors so I can get all this stuff out, and I have magic erasers to get rid of things like that. And yeah. First and foremost, I'm going to show you guys everything. So I have magic erasers for the wall. Some new gloves. We have some Comet for the tub. This is just easy off for the oven. Scrubbing bubbles, an empty bottle, and multi-purpose cleaner. So, yeah, that's what we're going to use. And then I also have a steamer that I'm going to be using to get in between the grouts. A mixture of 1 part vinegar and 1 part water to wash the walls. That way any smells or anything that's in there will remove itself. So maybe not 1 part, maybe just mixture of water to vinegar. I should really get a funnel, but we're almost done at this point. Alright. That's good. The bottle's almost full. I'm gonna add is this like essential oil. It's like a rub-on. It's like a rub-on thing, but we're adding a little bit. It has peppermint in it. A couple drops so that the room doesn't actually smell like straight up vinegar. Mix that up and get to it. out of the jets every 2 weeks. And they're not in use, and there's no way for me to block them, so. Deleted all the footage that I had, but I took a magic eraser and I went over the walls, I went over the baseboards. So now we're going to sweep, and this is where the steam cleaner is really going to come in. We're going to get all of that dirt there. So I'm going to take this chance to get some lunch really quick, and then give that some time to cool off, because you have to give it at least like 10 minutes before you can put water in it again. So yeah, cook something really quick and then we'll be back at it. Alright you guys, we are back from lunch. This steam cleaner has had more than enough time to cool down. So we're just going to refill it. This has been ASMR with Bissell. Alright, so last time I did this on camera, I messed up, so it just may not be a good shot because I can't afford for this to thing, because this is under pressure. The last time I messed up, this wasn't screwed on all the way and the water tank started to pressurize and steam was coming out of the top and it was coming through the sides. So I had to unplug it really fast and then let the steam flow out, pressing the little button. But yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to talk to you guys while I'm waiting on this thing to warm up and tell you how long this is taking. I started at 9 o'clock and, well, like 9:30, and it's already 2 o'clock. I took lunch. Lunch was only took me 20 minutes. So from 9 to 2. That's 7 hours already. And I haven't even gotten to the oven. So the oven might not be clean today. Saying all that, I'm almost done. I'm halfway done with the bathroom floor, and then I just have to sweep and mop in here again so that I can actually clean the tiles, and then I'll be done in the bathroom because I already washed the walls, took the magic eraser to the walls so there's no more marks or anything like that. Clean the shower. I need to do the shower, rinse the shower out one more time, because when I was in the walls, there was some dust up there, so, and that fell inside of the tub, so we're just gonna wash that out one more time. And then I'm gonna put in my new shower curtain and, you know, like a little foot pad or whatever. And yeah. I know I look fancy right now, but I wanted to fill you guys in. I just ran out of steam, so now I have to wait my 5 minutes in order for me to refill, so that's fun. But I'm excited that it took out when it did, or it ran out when it did, because we're almost to this part. And that's where the most like shoe wear nastiness is. So I'll have fresh steam, a fresh like new boat of steam to clean that out. Also, don't mind my protective gear right here. Double glasses on glasses. You live that life when you're a scientist. So, my 5 minutes are almost up. I'm gonna refill it and do 2 more rows, and then I'm going to film again, because I think that little piece right there that I just showed you guys, that's gonna be a good wholesome clean right there. So that's what we're gonna do. I'll see you guys later. Officially done.